Okay, and then next job is to install oil sump and oil pan in here down area, and now I have to rotate that engine in upside down, and let's go to do that next. Oil sump installation, and first I need clean sharp knife that I can remove these old gaskets in here all away, because otherwise there is risk that we have leaks. Now I remove all of these old gaskets, and then remember that you install all of these trash parts in this side, never inside this engine area, because these are really harmful for this engine bearings. And now I take all of these areas clean, and then we can add in here this glue. Okay, now I have cleaned these areas, and also I have cleaned this oil sump. Remember to clean both sides clean, these contact areas. And then there is this my specific engine connection glue, and now I install in here this my glue in this all areas in that way. And then final step is to make this joint like plain using our fingers with gloves. Do not touch this glue with pair of fingers, because this is harmful. Okay, and now I will add this glue, and soon we can see the final results. And now I have installed this red glue in here, and I take my oil sump, and oil sump goes only in one way in here, in that way. Okay, and then I install these bolts in this oil sump. Okay, and here are those my bolts. Okay, good. And soon I use this my electric drill. Okay, good. And I continue my job. And I take my 10mm socket and longer bar, and there's longer bar and my electric impact driver, and this is like pre-tight, only a little bit force, not too much. And I carefully rotate all bolts in like deeper, and in final step is to install this torch tool, and I do the job, and then I need to take this extra glue also away with my cotton cloth. And then I need to do this torch friends work, and now I need this torch in 10 Newton meters, and I set up this my tool to 10. There is the set button, and soon there is this 10, and then set. Good. And now we have 10 Newton meters force, and I fasten this my oil sump, and when tool says sound, there is 10 Newton meters. Good. And now I do this torch work, and then we can continue. Then final thing, clean cotton cloth, and I need to take this extra glue away in here that we have nice this joint. Okay, excellent. And now this job is ready and we can go to next task.